Welcome back. More than music, engaging life. Sinosisi Nonhlanhla la wasebandleni Khanyeni Okusha uzositshela naye ukuthi ilifini kagogo 103 ekuthatheni ibusiso. What does the number mean to her? And the message she'd like to convey as awumuntu omusha ebandleni. Uzosisho nje ngaye nepost okanye irole edlala ebandleni. The message to ebandleni eKhanyeni Okusha. My sister.
Hello.
Ninjani ma?
Hello, njani?
Ngiyaphila bingelela viewers lapho eMozen Music ne-engaging life usho nje your message to ebandleni nogogo.
Sanibonani, igama lami nguNonhlanhla wakwaThanjekwayo, ngikhonza ebandleni lokukhanya okusha. I-message nje enginayo noma into engiyifundile today is ukubalekile ukuhlonipha kakhulu.
Yes.
Because it is what brings impilo yakho ukuthi extendeke kakhulu, because as much as ugogo makasahamba asaphila kahle ezisontweni, it was something she always preached about, yabo, ukuthi ukuhlonipha abazali kubalekile. And manje makukhulunywa ngomzala kusho vele yena lo okuzalayo. Wonke umuntu nje njengoba nawe lana nje ungumzali kumele ngikuhloniphe. And again, ukusaba uNkulunkulu, it is another important aspect.
Yes.
Ukuthi ukumesaba uNkulunkulu kubalekile ngoba kuyinqubo eqhubekisayo empilweni, because iyaguide. As much as iBhayibheli masilifunda like isipha ama guidance ukuthi impilo kumele siyiphile kanjani, and ukuze insuku zakho zande ezweni uNkulunkulu uzakwandisela if you go by the Lord's scriptures.
Yeah. You just have to follow the scriptures as on the Pastor Chris previously Sheila ukuthi go to your 10 commandments. Imithetho iyasiyala and imithetho iyasiguide throughout. Lalela, like, subscribe, Mozen Music. Don't forget, go TikTok account yethu, Engaging Life.